In a situation like this, always take your Hidden Woodsmen Haversack. Aloha everybody, this is Gabe from the Hawaii Institute of Self-Reliance. Welcome back, mahalo for watching. Today's video I'm reviewing the Hidden Woodsmen Haversack. Yes, in foliage green. These are made in America by Malcolm. I think he's in New England, I'm not quite sure. And it's made out of tough material, American made. I'm in a survival situation, so to speak. So this is my EDC. It's got my phone charger, my batteries. I'll give you a shot of what I got in it later in the video. I've got my survival kit, my med kit, canteen, all sorts of stuff in this haversack. And I'm using it as my EDC in this situation I'm in. I'm in Leilani, Hawaii. And my neighborhood is getting covered by lava and I'm not leaving. My bug out bag is in the truck with some other items that I want to take with me, all packed up. But I keep this EDC with me all the time, just in case I need to just bug out right now and I can't get to my truck or something. Okay, so stick around. There's gonna be some lava. Give you a closer look at this Hidden Woodsman Haversack. It's not waterproof, but it is water resistant. You can see water just beads right off of it. It's pretty cool. I'm impressed with that. And in the jungle, that's very helpful. Now this particular one is in foliage green, and you can get it in camo or different colors, a lot of options. And it's tough, American made. There's the logo right there. Good stitching, awesome buckles. Really like those buckles. You got a slack keepers right here, and you can cinch down this bag or you can expand it quite a bit, and you can hold a lot in here. I'm really impressed with that. There's a handle. It's really tough, very convenient. There's an axe or hatchet carrier in the back. You just slip the handle through there and that works perfect. It's actually quite comfortable. I'm surprised. I just don't carry an axe very often. I'm in the jungle, so a machete is more useful. And then you have molly on the side, 2 strips. You can molly a pouch to the side, or all sorts of stuff that you can molly on the side there, and both sides have the strip or molly strips, and then there is a sling. This is really comfortable. It's just wide enough to be comfortable. I usually don't like sling bags because the strap is too thin, but this is perfect. There's a quick release. Again, nice solid buckles. That's a really cool setup. So let's see what's inside. There's a flap here that you can cinch down or kind of make it loose, and this is to keep stuff in or to keep stuff out. And you can see I've got it pretty stuffed. Now I like the Velcro, good quality Velcro. So there's the main compartment, it's just a big dump pouch, and then there's a middle compartment and then a front compartment with a zipper. Now I'll show you what I have in the main compartment. I would carry my GoPro. I'm filming with it right now, but this is the case for it. And then I would have a bandana and a water bottle. This is a clean can, 27-ounce water bottle, non-insulated, so I can boil water in this and to purify it, so that's really nice. I would have an extra belt knife, some Mora. I have a belt knife, but it's always nice to have a fixed blade extra belt knife. I like knives, so anyway. Then there's a survival Bivy. This is basically a sleeping bag, and I can use it as a signal panel. It's got a nice orange color. Poncho. It's in the jungle. You know, the jungle is rainy. It gets rainy in the jungle. So a good poncho is nice, and I can use this as a shelter as well. Then I would carry some food, some Cliff Bars, some beef jerky, some gloves, Leatherman core. I've had this for 10 years. And then I wanted to go Mad Max style and just carry a wrench. I had this in my house, so I just threw it in here. I was like, oh, I'll take that. And then I have my Olight flashlight charger that I keep on my belt. I keep a Olight flashlight on my belt, and this is to charge it. This is the cord to charge it, so that's important. And then next up, I've got in the middle pouch, I've got some glow sticks. I've got a headlamp, it's an Olight headlamp. And then I have a battery bank with the cord to charge it in there. This can charge my phone 7 times. It can charge my GoPros. It can charge my flashlight. So this is very useful. Battery bank, awesome. And let's see, now the zipper, really tough zipper. I really like that. And in here I have some electronic stuff. You know, my memory card, GoPro, extra batteries, stuff like that. And then I have some chargers, basically. You know, my phone charger and stuff like that, cords to charge the different electronics that I have. And then I have some dice. Yes, just for fun. That's awesome. Okay, so the main pouch has this nice orange material in there, so it's bright. And there's a little sleeve right here to organize stuff to keep it separate. So there you go on the pack. And the Hidden Woodsman pack just comes like this, right? Just the Haversack. It doesn't come with these pouches. I added these pouches on there myself. And what I have in my med kit here, I'm not going to open it up. I'm on basically an alert to evacuate at any second, so I don't want to take all of this out, and you know, it would just be kind of an ordeal. Anyway, so I've got an Israeli bandage in here. I've got some medical scissors. I've got some duct tape. I've got some rubber bands. I've got some wound seal. I've got some gauze. A pretty good med kit right here, stuffed. You know, I got as much as I can in there, pretty much. I got a scalpel in there. I got all sorts of good medical supplies. Now, this is my survival kit. I have a whistle right here. I would have a map and a compass. I've got a sewing kit, a fishing kit, 2 ways to start a fire, a lighter and a ferrocerium rod. Got dry tinder, even though I'm in a lava zone. It's just habit to have a dry tinder, you know, in there. I got a space blanket. I've got a emergency poncho. I've got cordage. I've got just a bunch of stuff in here to survive on. Oh, water filter, a Sawyer water filter. I've got water tablets, water purification tablets. So I've got like basically 2 of everything I need in here. You know, it's like 2 ways to start a fire, 2 emergency shelters, 2 ways to filter water, stuff like that. You know, that's how it goes with this survival kit. And it fits on there nice, very comfortable, doesn't weigh too much, and it works out perfect. There is different options you can get with the bag, right? You can get like a Velcro strip right here to put your morale patches. I wanted more of a clean look because I like this foliage green. So there you go. That's what's inside my emergency survival haversack. This haversack is jungle approved. definitely. I got it just before this disaster happened, and I've been using it for 8 days now, 24/7. I've either been carrying it or it's been within reach 24/7 for 8 days now. And I'm in a great place to test out an EDC survival haversack. Now I'll provide a link in the description box where you can go buy these. I got it for a great deal. It was on sale for $65 in the foliage green. So I was stoked. That's a great deal. Awesome, American made. That's amazing. And then I will provide links in the description box to Amazon to where you can buy some of the items in this haversack. And that helps support the channel, and I'd appreciate that. Now, I want to address some issues, you know, like a mask, right? Well, I carry a little bit of baking soda, and then I have that bandana, and I'd wet it and I'd put the baking soda on it. And my personal experience in a light foggy, or we call it fog, in a light fog situation, that works pretty good. But when the fog gets thicker and heavier, the bandana with the water and the baking soda doesn't really work that well. Now, the masks, you have to get a professional mask, and a lot of times you have to get certified to wear them and properly use them, because the masks can actually hurt you if they're not set up right. They can actually be more damaging to you. So that's my theory. Is it's like, I'm not going to be like hanging out. I'm just going to get out, you know. And so if I had to, I'd wet a bandana and put it over my mouth, because that, my personal experience. Now, this is, don't take this as any, you know, solid science or whatever. It's just my personal experience. It did kind of help, but not really. So you want to just leave the area if fog is really thick, because it could kill you. Now, I also want to address how skinny I am. I've been rationing food, so I'm already a skinny guy, and you know, the past 8 days I've been kind of rationing food a little bit just to be safe. So I've gotten skinny, or skinnier. So I just want to let you know I'm doing okay. It's really calm right now. The lava is headed towards the ocean. In the tubes, there's been earthquakes headed down that way, and I guess that's where it's headed. So it could cut off Lower Puna. So this is going to be interesting. It's going to be an odd survival scenario, and I'm close to town, so I can get out pretty much any time. It's just I really don't. I mean, I guess I could go camping, but I don't know. It's my home, you know, and I've got a lot of food here growing, and you know, and stuff like that. So this haversack has connected me with a community, the bushcraft survival community, and everybody praises, you know, everyone likes Hidden Woodsmen, and there's a reason for it. It's top quality, American made, good stuff. And just having this kind of has been that, you know, like that anchor, and also a connection to the community, the survival community that I've developed on YouTube, and then I've become part of, you know, that was already there, and it was already awesome community, and I'm trying to build my own little community on this channel. So anyway, yeah, if you want to check it out, Malcolm's an awesome guy, American made, top quality stuff. You know, this is great for an emergency EDC survival haversack. I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. I want to thank you for the like, thank you for all the comments, all the prayers, all the concern. Much mahalo for that. I want to thank all the first responders. I want to thank everybody volunteering. It's awesome helping us out in this dire straight scenario, and I want to thank everyone. And I want to thank you for the share. I want to thank you for the subscription. Make sure you hit the bell symbol to get notifications for when I upload a video. You can watch it and tell me what you think. And check me out on Instagram at His Survival. And until next time, aloha!